Hi, in this video we are restoring this oil bed air filter for the Opel Blitz camper from 1975, and then we will clean it and give it a new nice paint finish. First, let's see how it actually works and then we will take it out. Our old oil bath air filter looks like this. On the left you have the dirty air intakes, which contains particles of dust and debris. This is for going through oil. After that, the parts of dirty air and oil will be going through a wired mesh. The oily debris and oil will stick to the mesh and sink down again into the pan, and the cleaned air will leave the filter and will go to the air intake of the motor. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and click on the subscribe button to subscribe on this channel. So yeah, let's take it out. I will take this one and this one off, and then we can take it out. It's going faster than I thought. Okay, perfect. It's loose. So you can see I took that one apart, and now I can remove the top. You can see over there the wired mesh at the bottom of the blue stuff. Over here I have also the base plate where it was sitting on. Also this one I will take out and make sure it's nice and neat again. Here is the air filter. Air is going in here, then yeah, it's going through the oil and going up over here through the mesh. It's clean because the debris will stick to the oil. This looks a little dirty too, so yeah, probably it's good that I will clean it. Okay, right now I have the filter over here and the base plate, but this one we only have to yeah, clean a little. This filter needs to be deep cleaned from the inside, and also the outside of course needs a little extra love. But let's take it apart and look how dirty it actually is. Let's have a look. Oh, there's some big parts in there. It looks like rubber, a rubber part. But let's clean it out and fill it with some new oil. So what I will do right now is use some white spirit to clean this part. So I will just do this, clean it, and then I will do the other bigger part. This looks pretty clean to me, only the inside of course, but that is okay, quite okay. This is the less easiest, so I will try just to throw it in and then mix it and hope for the best that all the debris will go out. So there are two really bad rusty parts. This one, this is the base plate. I will take care of this one, and this one. This is the top of the air filter. Also, this one is really rusted, and I will smooth it out first with a wire brush, and then I will take some sandpaper, and then I will make it a little smoother before we will paint. So let's start. So as you can see, I sanded it all down. I wiped it with some extra white spirit to get all the sanding dust off. Yeah, it's pretty okay. Over here I have the bottom plate. I will do this first. So at first I'm going with a spray primer against rust. And it's also the bottom adhesive for the varnish. Do the rust converter. So here are all the parts again. We have the cleaned white mesh, we have the top cap, we have the pan which will be filled with some 10W40. Then we have the bottom cap which goes over here to support the oil bath air filter. And then we have some accessories and of course some 10W40 to fill up the pan with. So now we will assemble all those parts, fill up the pan with oil, and then we will install it inside the Opel Blitz again. I need to fill it over here. The hoogst, dus in German, is over here, and the low point is the red line. Then we can put in the filter. It's good, but let's see. Now we can put in the air filter. So right now it's still loose, as you can see. Of course I attach it with those ones, but the top isn't attached to the bottom and the bottom isn't attached to anything. So I will take the braces, these ones, and clip them behind it, and then it clips over here the top, so everything is secured to each other. Do you like the looks? I know, I do. It's like new again and it's clean. So it's perfect, ready to drive again. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button because it really helps support this channel. If you want to see more of Ricardo's projects, then subscribe on this channel. I will say bye for now and see you next time.